Did you know that the colors around you could be the key to manifesting everything you've always wanted? Imagine using an ancient secret hidden within Buddhist teachings that can turn your desires into reality in simple and surprising way. In this video, we will unveil how the colors you see every day can have a hidden power that no one has ever told you about, a power that can completely change your life. What if I told you that the secret to attracting what you desire is already within your reach, but you've never paid attention to it? Colors have a deep connection with the energy surrounding you, and when used correctly, they can help manifest everything you wish for. Stay with me because we're going to explore a unique approach based on Buddhist teachings that can open your eyes to a new reality. Welcome to Inspiring Arc, your go-to channel for exploring Buddhist teachings and finding inspiration. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. If you feel like you've tried everything to reach your dreams but still haven't succeeded, this video might be just what you need. We're going to share some little-known techniques that could completely change things for you. Watch until the end to learn how to use this ancient wisdom in a practical and powerful way. But before we start, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment with the color you feel connected to the most. At the end, we'll reveal the meaning of that color and what it could be telling you. You might be surprised by the answer. For centuries, Buddhist monks have explored the power of colors as a way to find balance and make things happen. To them, colors aren't just things we see. They are ways to connect our inner selves with the universe. Most people don't know that every color has its own special vibration that can affect our emotions, thoughts, and even our future. Imagine if you could use these colors to shape your life and find new opportunities. It might sound magical, but the spiritual teachings of Buddhism show that learning and using the power of colors is easier than it seems, and you're about to learn how. But why do colors have such a strong effect on us? Many people ask this question, but the Buddhist teachings offer a fascinating answer. They believe each color is a reflection of energies in the universe, and by connecting with these colors, you can attract those energies into your life. Have you ever noticed how changing the color of your surroundings can make you feel calm, or maybe anxious? This is not by chance. Buddhists have used this knowledge for centuries to create spaces that help with meditation, healing, and spiritual growth. You can use this same wisdom to align your energy with your deepest desires. Now, here's something that might surprise you. What if the key to unlocking the life you've always dreamed of isn't about working harder, but about better understanding how colors influence you? The monks found that the right colors can actually help open doors to prosperity, love, health, and happiness. But this isn't a quick fix. It requires self-reflection and an open mind to understand the real power of colors. By knowing which colors connect with your goals, you create a force around you that attracts the things you want, almost like a magnet drawing opportunities your way. Now that you understand how important colors are and the power they hold, let's go further. Discover what each color really means and how you can use that knowledge to bring what you desire into your life, whether it's wealth, love, balance, or good health. Each color has a unique energy, and when you understand and use them in the right way, they can completely change your reality. Stay with us, because in the next part, we will explore the hidden meanings of colors and how to align them with your goals to bring your deepest desires to life. For example, gold represents wealth, power, and success. When you think of gold, you probably imagine luxury, abundance, and achievement. In Buddhism and other spiritual practices, gold symbolizes the balance between material wealth and spiritual enlightenment. When you bring this color into your life, you are inviting an energy that attracts prosperity and opportunities. Imagine being able to manifest a prosperous life simply by surrounding yourself with more gold. What if that was the missing element to unlocking your financial potential? Beyond attracting wealth, gold symbolizes wisdom, confidence, and personal power. It is the color of leaders, those ready to achieve what they deserve. When you visualize gold in your meditations, or bring it into your environment, you connect with a frequency of success. Gold boosts self-esteem, gives you the courage to pursue your goals, and helps you make decisions with clarity. Think about it. Every time you surround yourself with gold, You're sending a clear signal to the universe that you're ready to receive great things. What kinds of riches do you want to manifest? Imagine wearing a gold accessory before an important meeting or decorating your workspace with gold elements. This not only boosts your confidence, but can also attract opportunities that previously seemed out of reach. You might notice new doors opening, the right people crossing your path, and innovative ideas emerging. Gold has the power to magnetize everything you desire, whether it's success, money, or recognition. Do not underestimate its ability to transform your reality. Red is the color of passion, strength, and determination. In Buddhism, it represents vital energy and the motivation to achieve your goals. This powerful color activates the root chakra, which connects us to security, purpose, and action. When you wear red, you're telling the universe that you're ready to act, face challenges, and commit to your goals. Have you ever felt a surge of confidence when wearing something red? It's not a coincidence. It's the power of the color working in your favor. Red stimulates quick action and decision-making. If you feel stuck, unsure which path to take, red could be the push you need. It energizes, awakens courage, and increases your sense of personal power. Think about conquering obstacles or bringing more passion into your life. Red is the perfect choice. Use it when you need an extra boost to face a difficult situation or make a bold decision. By incorporating red into your life, you may attract more action, opportunities, and success. Green is the color of healing, abundance, and growth. It is deeply connected to the heart chakra, the center of love and compassion. In Buddhism, green promotes harmony and well-being, aligning emotions and attracting the energy of prosperity. Imagine a garden always growing and blooming. This is the energy green brings into your life. Green symbolizes abundance. Surrounding yourself with it can help release the fear of lack and attract a mindset of wealth and fullness. Green also promotes balance, calms the mind, and provides peace, helping you make clear, strategic decisions. It could change your perception of what it means to live in abundance. If you're seeking more health, wealth, or emotional balance, try adding green into your daily life. Plants, green clothing, or spending more time in nature can all help nurture your desires and attract what you need to thrive. Blue is the color of tranquility, confidence, and clear communication. In Buddhism, it is associated with a calm mind and the quest for truth, activating the throat chakra, which governs communication and personal expression. Surrounding yourself with blue calls upon an energy of peace and mental clarity. Blue is perfect for those who seek to speak more authentically, connect with their inner truth, or resolve conflict calmly. It promotes emotional balance, essential for effective communication and staying calm in challenging situations. Silver represents balance, intuition, and protection. In Buddhism, silver reflects the light of knowledge and introspection. It is often associated with the crown chakra, connecting us to the divine and our higher self. Silver is ideal for moments when we need mental clarity and spiritual protection. It illuminates the path when answers aren't clear, guiding you with gentle, protective energy. Silver stimulates intuition and spiritual sensitivity. If you are at a crossroads or need guidance, silver can sharpen your senses and connect you with your inner wisdom. Incorporating silver into your life, through meditation, jewelry, or decor, can help you feel more energetically protected and attuned to your higher self. Yellow is the color of joy, creativity, and optimism. In Buddhism, it is associated with the solar plexus chakra, the center of personal power and will. Yellow calls upon the energy of the sun, bringing vibrancy, life, and enthusiasm. It illuminates your mind, bringing new ideas and helping you see the world with optimism. Yellow is ideal for boosting creativity and energy renewal. It dispels fear and insecurity, replacing them with a sense of purpose and direction. If you're feeling stuck, yellow can bring the motivation you need to take the next step. Incorporating yellow into your life can attract more joy, creativity, and optimism. Surround yourself with this color, and you might start noticing new ideas, opportunities, and connections emerging. Black represents power, protection, and deep transformation. In Buddhism, black is seen as a color of seriousness and introspection. It symbolizes the journey of facing your shadows to find the light. Rather than being negative, black represents transformation. It absorbs all other colors, creating a protective space to shield yourself from external energies. Wearing or surrounding yourself with black can help you seek inner strength and spiritual renewal. Black is often associated with focus, clarity, and self-discovery. It also represents mystery, sophistication, and quiet power. Those who are resilient, able to adapt, and unafraid of the unknown may be drawn to this color. If you're feeling lost or at a turning point in life, wearing black can help connect you with inner courage, allowing you to face challenges head-on. Black can serve as spiritual armor, offering protection and resilience during times of change. Decorating a space with black or wearing the color can also bring focus and determination, helping you feel more confident and secure. Orange is the color of creativity, vitality, and motivation. It is connected to the sacral chakra in Buddhism, which governs emotions, pleasures, and interpersonal connections. Orange brings energy, enthusiasm, and the desire to create and express yourself. It is like an everlasting flame that ignites new ideas and passions. Orange also helps overcome fears and insecurities, encouraging you to step out of your comfort zone and take risks. If you want to feel more confident or energized, incorporating orange into your life can give you a boost. It's perfect for those looking to start new projects or increase their creativity. Wearing orange or adding it to your surroundings can inspire a new wave of energy and motivation. Pink symbolizes love, compassion, and emotional healing. In Buddhism, pink opens the heart to kindness and understanding. It has a calming effect that encourages unconditional love for others and yourself. Pink promotes self-compassion and inner healing, making it a helpful color during stressful times. It's ideal for spaces where comfort is needed, such as bedrooms or meditation rooms. Surrounding yourself with pink can bring more love, tenderness, and emotional support. Wearing pink or incorporating it into your environment fosters harmonious relationships and promotes peace and love. White represents purity, clarity, and new beginnings. In Buddhism, white symbolizes enlightenment and the void full of possibilities, where all creation begins. White purifies and cleanses, making space for new energies. It amplifies other colors' energies, so combining white with other colors can enhance specific intentions. If you're looking for clarity, peace, or a fresh start, incorporating white can be your first step. It's a clean slate where you can create your future. Surrounding yourself with white invites spiritual cleansing and clarity. Brown is the color of stability, security, and connection to the earth. In Buddhism, it is a grounding color that helps strengthen our roots and provides a solid foundation. Brown represents practicality, reliability, and protection, which are essential during times of change or uncertainty. It also promotes hard work, discipline, and responsibility. If you're looking for financial stability, emotional balance, or security, brown can give you a grounding effect. It can help you feel more stable and focused, making sure your efforts last over time. If you want to build something that lasts, a project, a career, or a family, add brown elements to your environment, like furniture, plants, or stones. What if by doing this, you started to feel that everything is more stable, safer, and the foundation of your future is stronger? Brown is for people who want to create a solid and stable life, where every step is built on a strong base. Gray is the color of balance, neutrality, and maturity. In Buddhism, it symbolizes detachment and wisdom, helping us see things clearly without too much emotion. Gray helps with thinking things through and making rational decisions, especially when facing tough choices or uncertainty. When you surround yourself with gray, you're seeking calmness, a place where the mind can rest and reflect. Gray is also known for helping to calm and focus the mind. It creates a balanced environment. If you're in a conflict or need clarity, gray can give you a mature and peaceful perspective. Imagine using gray to attract more balance and wisdom in your life. Whether you're making an important decision or facing change, wearing gray or adding it to your space can help clear your mind and calm your thoughts. Gray is for those who want balance, see things clearly, and make wise decisions. Purple is the color of spirituality, intuition, and connection to the unknown. In Buddhism, it is linked to the crown chakra, which connects us to the divine and our higher self. Surrounding yourself with purple invites deep introspection, wisdom, and a sense of mystery. Purple expands the mind and connects you with higher levels of thought and understanding. If you're looking to gain a deeper understanding of yourself or the universe, purple is a strong choice. It also represents transformation and the ability to change and grow. Purple is great for those who are in a process of personal or spiritual growth and are open to new possibilities. If you're looking to change how you think or overcome emotional blockages, purple can help dissolve what no longer serves you and make space for new growth. Adding purple to your life can bring more wisdom, intuition, and transformation. Try using purple in meditation or adding it to your workspace or spiritual areas. What if by doing this you started to see new ideas, new ways of understanding the world, and felt more connected to the universe? Purple is for people who want to explore beyond the surface, understand life's mysteries, and grow through this knowledge. Now that you know the power each color has to attract different energies, it's time to apply this knowledge in your life and start manifesting your desires. Simply understanding the meaning of colors isn't enough. The real power comes from knowing how to use them strategically to boost your intentions and attract what you want more effectively. Whether through clothing, home decor, or even specific meditative practices, colors can be powerful tools in creating the life you want. Start by thinking about what you most want to attract in your life right now, whether it's prosperity, love, protection, balance, or spiritual growth. Then, choose the color that resonates with that desire. If you want more prosperity and success, gold might be your color. If you're seeking protection and focus, black can give you the strength you need. Want to open your heart to more love and compassion? Pink is perfect for that. By choosing the right color, you're taking the first step to align your energy with what the universe has to offer. After choosing the color that matches your desire, it's important to bring it into your daily life. You can wear clothes in that color, decorate your home or office with it, or even visualize it during meditation. Imagine the power of meditating while visualizing a golden light around you, bringing prosperity and success, or surrounding yourself with green plants to attract balance and growth. These small, everyday actions can create a magnetic field around you, helping to attract exactly what you want. Remember, colors alone aren't a magic solution, but they can greatly enhance your intentions when used with purpose and focus. By aligning your actions and thoughts with the energy of a specific color, you create an internal and external environment that vibrates at the same frequency as your desires. So, experiment, observe the results, and adjust as needed. Be creative, confident, and persistent, and you'll see how using colors can transform your life in amazing ways. We've reached the end of this journey on the power of colors, and we hope you've found inspiration to use this knowledge in your life. Now that you know how each color can attract specific energies, it's time to put it into practice and see the changes happen. If you found this content helpful and want to keep learning how to transform your reality, we truly thank you for staying with us until the end. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it. It helps us reach more people and continue creating content that makes a difference. And of course, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get all updates. Here, we always share practical tips, deep knowledge, and techniques that can truly change your life. Your participation motivates us to keep going. Take a moment to comment on which color you'll start using and what you hope to attract with it. We're excited to hear from you. Thank you so much for being part of this community. Together, let's keep exploring and manifesting the best the universe has to offer. See you in the next video.